for the annual Parada ng Liwanag Asin Musika, the tricycle competition in celebration of Sarung Bangi Festival 2024. Sa Giraray Diyos Maray na Bangi Santo Domingo. Uy, wala ko close road na sir. Kami nag-aragi pa. Once again, good afternoon, good evening, Santo Domingo. And of course, allow me to acknowledge the presence of our mayor, our beloved mayor. Palakpakan po natin ang aming pinakagwapo at pinakamabait na alkalde, Mayor June Aguas. Let's give Mayor June Aguas a big round of applause. And also allow me to acknowledge the presence of Councilor Anthony Winnifield. Hello, Councilor. Magandang gabi po. And also allow me to acknowledge the presence of the department heads of LGU Santo Domingo. Thank you so much for being here tonight and for your support. This year, meron po tayong apat na contingent or contestant para sa ating annual Parada ng Liwanag Asin Musika and celebration of Sarung Bangi Festival 2024. And before we start our program and celebration and competition for tonight, magtirindog po muna kita gabo. Let us all rise for the opening prayer to be led by Jenny Lee.
Let's bow our head and feel the presence of the Lord. As we gather here in the harbor of your safety, we thank you for fellowship and family. We ask that you will strengthen us, restore us, and inspire us with your love. Lord, would you fill us with your peace, so that as we journey onwards, we would pour out our love and grace to others. We ask that our soul would touch the wind of your spirit, so that we would take your promises to all the earth. Amen.
You may now take your seats para sa may mga upuan. And at this moment, gusto ko may kuryente na po ba? Ay, hindi pa. Pero thank you so much sa Aleco for being so consistent, okay? At this moment po, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. We are about to witness the beauty and of course the creative side of our beloved tricycle drivers. Kaya naman po, meron po tayong apat na contingent for Parada ng Liwanag Asin Musika in celebration of Sarung Bangi Festival 2024. Magpaparade po muna sila. And then they were going to be back here for the judging ng ating mga judges. At mamaya po, we're about to introduce to you our respective panel of judges. Pero mamaya po yan. For the meantime, magpaparade po muna ang ating apat na contingent for the Parada ng Liwanag Asin Musika. Together with the PNP mobile car.
Contingents number 1, Edgar Malayan, Marana Santo Niño, Zone 1. Contestant number 2, Richard Manila, Barangay Santo Domingo, Zone 1. Number 3 is Eugene Benitez of Barangay San Francisco. And contestant number 4 is Jovenson Jacob, Barangay Salvacion, Santo Domingo, Albay.